Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey. It's story time.
On Sunday, a girl was drawing an igloo on paper. Her sister wrote with an ink pen. Close by, their brother played a musical instrument. Together, they created joyful moments of creativity and fun. Creativity brings fun. Dear kids, let's meet with the new alphabet I, and its sound is I, 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 igloo, I, infant, I, inkpot, I, insect, I, iguana, I, instrument. Dear kids, what do you think insects look like? Can you imagine them crawling and flying? See you in the next lesson.